What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. What I will be doing today is mounting the Cyelee Chameleon SRS8 on my Glock 19 Gen 5. First, I want to give a shout out to Cyelee Optics for sending me their product and giving me the opportunity to try it out. So what you're going to need for this installment is the Glock MOS adapter set. It's going to come with 4 separate plates, and I believe this one fits the number 2, and a little hex tool. So let's get into it. First you want to do is make sure there's no round in the chamber, and then there's a base plate on top. You'll just take that off. Set that to the side. Same with the other one. Make sure not to lose these tiny little ones. And then this plate will come off. And then you'll take your number 2 and put it right there. We'll go ahead and put these screws back in to hold that in place. And then let's go ahead and unbox the Red Dot. So in this box, it comes with a plethora of different screws that is specifically for different guns. And I found out for the Glock 19, it takes the 6x40 by 0.374, and you'll need 2 of those. Then we'll grab the Red Dot. Then these 2 little indents will line up with these 2 up front, and then they'll just sit right on it. And then you'll take one of the screws and screw that in. And then there you go. It's a fairly simple install. I'll show you guys the Red Dot. There it is. And yeah, I think it looks really nice on there. The optic feels real solid, doesn't move at all. It's got a good sight picture and everything. And yeah, there you go. That's how you install the Cyelee Chameleon SRS8 on the Glock 19 Gen 5. If you guys are interested in the Chameleon SRS8, you can get 15% off using this code on their website at www.cyleeoptics.com or on Amazon. And you can either get the red chameleon or the green chameleon for 15% off. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Looks really good. Thanks you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe for upcoming content, and I'll catch you guys next time.